Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In last videos, we covered up to pattern number 27 or 26, I think. In today's session, we are going to discuss about pattern number 27. So what is this pattern? It is the same like the pattern which we covered in 22. Okay, the pattern which we covered in 22, same pattern I want to display. Sir, if you see here, while displaying, in the first row I'm printing 1 star, in the second row I'm printing 3 stars, in the fourth row I want to print like this, in fifth row I want to print like this, in the next row I want to print like this, in the next row I want to print like this. It is very simple, sir, because when you are printing 1 star here, forget about the first row. When you are printing 2 stars here, in the opposite extra star is going to get. When you are printing 3 stars here, opposite also 3 but -1. Here I am taking 4 stars, opposite also 4 but -1. Here we are printing 5 stars, opposite also 5 but -1. Like that, you need to double the rows. I mean, you need to double the stars. So already we know this 22nd pattern, right? Let us write for each I value in the range of, let me take up to 6 rows. 1 to 6 it is going to print. It will print the values from 1 to 6. And for each k value in the range of 1 to 7 minus I, I am going to print a space, because the space is very, very important here, right? After that, for each j value, in the range of 1 to, okay, I, 1 to I or I minus 1, we will see I. So we are going to print a star, and end is equal to empty. Like this I have taken. And after completion of every row, I am printing one empty line. This is nothing but the pattern which we have. If I run this program, you can see the output what we are getting is like this. I think one extra row is coming. Better to take I minus 1. No, we have to take I only. Okay, we have to take I only, or I plus 1. Yes, perfectly we are getting. Have you observed here? First it is printing spaces, after that star. In the place of I plus 1, what I am going to do is 2 into I. That means when you are printing 1 star, in that place 2 stars will come. When you are printing 2 stars, in that place 4 stars will come, because the number of stars that we are printing previously 1 to I, now 1 to 2 into I, double we are going to get. You can see, but extra one column is there, right? I don't want that column. Simply remove this value. Now you can see the output what we are getting is nothing but like this. Okay, in the first row 1 star, in the second row 3 stars, like that. Almost it is a mirror image of our 22nd program. So if you have not watched this video, just I will put this on the cards, just you can able to check and you can watch that video also. Okay, right. So this is nothing but what we have about the 27th pattern. I think you got very clear clarity about this, right? Thank you.